This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable mature content on Twitch. I will be using an iPhone for this. Let me jump over to my phone here. I have my phone opened up now and I am on the Twitch app. To enable or disable mature content on Twitch, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go down to the lower right hand corner, down to my little profile icon. I'm going to tap on that. Then in the upper left-hand corner, the little gear wheel, I'm going to tap on the gear wheel. Then you want to scroll down just a little ways, down to where you see Content Preferences. Tap on Content Preferences. Then it says Content Display Preferences. It gives you a whole lot of options here. Hide sexual themes, hide drug intoxication or excessive tobacco use, hide gambling. You can go through here. You could toggle on or off any one of these options, and down towards the bottom it says Blur Sexual Themes. You can toggle that on or off. That is how to enable or disable mature content on Twitch. Thanks for watching.